Hi guys, this is Zsolt. In today's video we are going to check out the Lidl's Ultimate Speed brushes inside and out. There is like a hard one, a medium and a soft. We will see how they work. Let's roll. Alrighty, boys and girls, these were the little brushes. They were working fine. The material is definitely not the best of quality because I can feel it's rather lightweight. But other than that, it was all working fine on the wheels, on the buttons, and so on. For the wheels, I would recommend this one. This one was somewhat better, this medium soft. The other one is rather stiff. It was working fine, but just in case the medium soft would be better. And on the inside, the soft one was working just fine. So all in all, I can hands-on hard recommend for this price that they are selling it for. And that concludes the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell so you're not going to miss any of my upcoming videos. I'd like to say a big thank you for your time and catch you on the next one. Bye-bye.